Dreams, those strange, sometimes vivid experiences we have while sleeping, have fascinated humans for centuries. But why do we dream? Is there a purpose behind these nightly visions, or are they just random brain activity? In this video, we'll explore the science and theories behind why we dream. Dreams occur mostly during REM, rapid eye movement sleep, stage of the sleep cycle where brain activity is at its peak. REM sleep happens around 90 minutes after falling asleep, and our dreams tend to be more vivid and complex at this stage. While everyone dreams, not everyone remembers their dreams. Interestingly, even animals experience REM sleep, leading researchers to believe dreams are a widespread phenomenon across species. Throughout history, dreams have been interpreted in various ways. Ancient Egyptians believed dreams were messages from the gods, while in ancient Greece, philosophers like Plato and Aristotle pondered the connection between dreams and reality. In modern times, Sigmund Freud famously theorized that dreams are a way to express repressed desires, particularly those tied to emotions and subconscious thoughts. Freud's work was one of the first attempts to analyze dreams scientifically. Today, scientists approach dreams from a neurological perspective. Studies show that during REM sleep, certain regions of the brain, such as the amygdala and hippocampus, are highly active. These regions are associated with emotions and memory. While the brain is highly active during REM sleep, some areas responsible for logic and reasoning are less active, which explains why dreams can be illogical or surreal. Despite ongoing research, there's still no single answer to why we dream. There are several theories about why we dream, each offering a different perspective. Memory consolidation, problem solving, emotional regulation, threat simulation theory. One popular theory is that dreams help with memory consolidation. The brain organizes and stores memories, and dreams may help us process new information or make connections between experiences. Another theory is that dreams are a form of problem solving. Many people have experienced eureka moments in their dreams, where they come up with solutions to challenges faced during the day. Some scientists believe dreams play a role in emotional regulation. By processing difficult emotions in a safe dream environment, we might be better equipped to handle them when awake. Lastly, the threat simulation theory suggests that dreaming allows us to practice responses to dangerous or threatening situations, helping us prepare for real-life challenges. Some people can experience what's called lucid dreaming, a state where the dreamer becomes aware they're dreaming and can even control the dream's content. Lucid dreaming offers a unique insight into how conscious and unconscious processes interact. While not everyone can achieve this state easily, lucid dreamers often report a sense of empowerment and creativity that feels like unlocking the subconscious mind. Despite our growing understanding of the brain, many questions about dreams remain unanswered. Why do some dreams feel so real, while others are quickly forgotten? Why do we sometimes dream of people or places we haven't thought about in years? Science continues to investigate these mysteries, but for now, dreams remain one of the most enigmatic aspects of the human mind. So why do we dream? Whether it's to consolidate memories, process emotions, or even simulate threats, dreams are an integral part of the human experience. As we continue to study this fascinating phenomenon, one thing is clear. Dreams give us a glimpse into the hidden workings of our mind. Next time you drift off to sleep, remember, your dreams might be telling you more than you think.